Alright, YouTube, so the customer dropped this off the other day. It's a 250 SX. I think it's an 85. Yeah, an 85. It wasn't running at all. Everything's there. There's the tank and one of the plastics are over there. And the customer asked to get it running. So he's cleaned up the carb. I kind of showed it in the other video, but we got an ultrasonic cleaner now, so he's put that in there and cleaned it up. It looks really nice. It was horrible before. It was just like as bad as this airbox here. That's what the carb looked like, inside and out. So he's cleaning that up, and he's just about putting it back on, and then gonna see if this thing will fire up. Alright, so he's got the tank on, he's got the carburetor on. We're gonna try to start it up here, see what's up. A little noisy in the top end there. Sounds like valve. Doesn't sound like cam. Yeah, so it sounds like valves to me, but something's hammering in there. Could be either valves or the cam chain. We'll find out here in a minute.
See that? I took it off.
Yeah, so he's having troubles with getting these sight glasses off, and he's just taken a punch and a hammer, added a little bit of deep creep, and just tapped on them like that. This one's giving us a little bit more trouble. The other one was stuck in there too. He did that once and it just popped right out, but this one's a little bit bigger, so it's got a little bit more thread to it. So just trying to get those out, get it to top to the center to set or check the valves. Okay, so we got this thing back together. It runs, still got noise. It needs cam chain. The valves were a little out of adjustment, so we adjusted them. But it still needs cam chain. It's pretty noisy. I'll start it up here. See, as you can tell, it's still noisy. It's not as bad as it was. It runs real nice. It just has a bad cam chain. No smoke or anything. Idle's pretty good. It's a pretty good machine. On if the cam chain was done, it'd be a pretty strong machine. But unfortunately, the customer doesn't want to go that far with this, so we got it running. We did what we were told, and he's gonna come pick it up sometime here. I thought this was pretty neat too. Let's see if we can get it to work. Oh yeah, look at that. And then if I do this, it should change. And again. And again. Fancy taillight, eh? And the headlight works too. None of that worked when we first got it in here, but works now. It's kind of neat. So yeah, if you like this video, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.